This inverter mini split air conditioner shows an F1 error code on the display. I am going to give you the details on what this error code means and how to fix it. The F1 error code indicates that the outdoor circuit board is problematic most of the time. Other than that, I will tell you more things that cause the F1 error code according to my experience. The company says that this is the fault of the IPM module in the motherboard. IPM means Intelligent Power Module. You can see this component in the motherboard, which is the Intelligent Power Module or the IPM. But I have experienced that when the IPM goes bad, the air conditioner shows an E5 error code on the display too. Because when the IPM goes bad, the complete motherboard does not power on and thus it shows the E5 error code. But it shows an F1 error code on the display when some other components go bad in the motherboard. As you can see, this section of the motherboard, which is the compressor drive circuit of the motherboard, the rectifier is installed here, which converts AC electricity to DC. Then a diode and an IGBT are installed. And then the IPM. If the IGBT or the diode also goes bad, the AC could show the F1 error code. If this capacitor goes bad, still the F1 error code will be shown. The low voltage side of this motherboard also goes bad. The compressor drive area of the motherboard is controlled by the microcontroller. If any small component between the microcontroller or the IPM goes bad, for example, any resistor, capacitor, or diode goes bad, the motherboard can still show the F1 error code. Other than this, if the IPM starts to heat up, due to the refrigerant being overcharged in the unit, the IPM heats up in that case and the F1 error code is shown. I have experienced it in some situations. I also experienced this in one of the units where I went to fix this error code. The evaporator and the condenser were very dirty and were not cleaned for many years. That air conditioner was showing an F1 error, as actually it is the fault of the IPM. I checked that unit and realized that it was too dirty. So I prioritized cleaning over checking the motherboard. And the rest of the things in the unit like electric connections and the motherboard were fine. I cleaned it. And after cleaning it, the condenser was not heating much, and the temperature of the IPM also went down. I am just sharing what I had experienced when I fixed F1 error codes. Your conditioner could have a different situation. Now I want to mention this too, that the F1 error code would have different meanings for different air conditioning brands. So to fix the F1 error in your specific air conditioner brand, you will have to look for the error in its service manual. Or you can comment below your air conditioning brand with the model number. I will try to help you out with the F1 error according to your air conditioner brand. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos. And subscribe. Thank you.